Well, hi there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lisa and this is Southern Yankee Designs. In today's episode, I'm taking you to my shop and I'm going to be doing some samples for a client. And there's one sample in particular. It's a beautiful paint finish. It's easy to do, but man, is it gorgeous. And I thought you would like to see it. So let's get started. So I'm starting this finish off with a nice even layer of Sherwin Williams A New Gray. I'm just going to roll on my first coat very evenly, and I'm going to let it dry for a few hours before applying a second layer of the same color. So now everything's dry. It's time for the last layer. I use this stuff a lot. It's Crystal Brush in the color CB100. It's by Meoded Paint and Plasters. I will link everything in the description box below. You've probably seen me do a similar finish using this product in one of my other videos, and I will put the link above here that you can click on, and I will also put it in the description box below. I am using a chip brush to apply the Crystal Brush paint in a vertical pattern. This is going to create the look of a shimmery silk strie. This finish is not just for accent walls. I can totally see this on furniture, accessories. Think about it. This would look really great on like cabinet doors, maybe some recessed panels. This is such a beautiful finish and it's really easy to do. It's great for beginners. Just remember to do a sample first. I am going to list all the details in the description box below, and don't forget to watch my other video doing a similar finish, but I did a different color and I added more texture. Oh, and in the other video, there are some great before and after pictures of the finished project at my client's house. I really think you're going to like it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know if there's any other paint tutorials that you're interested in. Just comment in the section below. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video.